that's right. Welcome back to Mia Makes, everyone. In this episode, I'm going to be drawing coffee because coffee. I come from a coffee-loving family. Everyone here drinks coffee. I like my coffee almost white, actually. Almost like borderline blinding sun white with a little bit of salted caramel syrup and lots of whipped cream. But then my daddy's he likes his coffee black with a hint of cream. You can just taste the cream. My daddy and I recently got coffee together, and I needed so much sweetener, and I needed 3 packets, and he got 1, and he's like, wow, this is so sweet. I'm like, no, it's horrible. Despite that, I drank that coffee because I don't really know why, actually. I work at a coffee shop and bakery, and I love all the drinks there. We do special seasonal drinks like peppermint lattes for Christmas, pumpkin spice lattes obviously, and a lot of others for the fall season. And then I really like the summer Italian sodas and lemonades. They are just the best. I have to say, if I ever owned a bakery or coffee shop or both of those, I would have the most magical, most whimsical, fairy type coffee shop. I would have Dungeons and Dragon night. I would do I'd start an anime series for one night, and I just invite people to come, and for the price of a coffee, they could just hang out and watch the anime, things like that. I would want a medieval tavern type vibe. I'd have the lanterns, I'd have candles, the old-fashioned wood feeling, things like that. I don't really know what this strawberry pink delicious looking drink is here. I'm assuming it's some sort of latte. I kind of just went for pink because it was aesthetically pleasing, and I'm sorry, I'm a girl. I like pink. As you can see here, I'm adding the finishing touches. I labeled all the drinks because reasons, guys, reasons. I really enjoyed this, and I wanted to say, if my Nana is watching this, I say hi. Thank you for watching so much. Bye-bye.